What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Thanks for joining us back here at Crypt Chronicles, where we talk tech, life, culture, and crypto on the regular. My name is Mark. I'll be your host. Guys, we're going to chat a little Litecoin. It's been a little while since we talked about Litecoin because it really hasn't been doing anything. The market overall has just been a bloody mess, going downhill. We probably haven't even hit bottom at this point yet, but don't lose hope because when it goes down, we're sure to pop right back up. In this case of Litecoin, there is two particular reasons that I believe, and several other people have already been talking about it online, why we believe Litecoin is headed for a breakout, an imminent breakout, and we believe that the price could shoot up to decent numbers back what we saw a couple months ago in the 150 to 200 price range. Even possible. Now, it's even possible that Litecoin could break away from Bitcoin. There's a lot of talk out there that even some of the altcoins could potentially break away from Bitcoin and following Bitcoin's trend downwards, and that would be like the flappening happening all over again, or at least trying to happen. So let's look at a couple of reasons. We're here on livecoinwatch.com. We're checking out the price right now. We're currently trading at $97. Now we are way down. We are from where we were in December. I think we hit $350. We were up around that range. Now we are way down to 93 we hit just recently. Earlier, I think within the last 24 hours, we're currently trading at about $96 right now over the last 24 hours. Now the RSI is showing extremely oversold at the moment. Now that's a big indicator on why a lot of people believe that Litecoin could be shooting up fairly soon. That's it's not a guarantee. It's not something you want to bet all your money on, but these indicators that people use for technical analysis really these compiled with several other indicators give really good idea of when the market is going to go up and going to go down. And when you see a coin that's oversold, or that has been oversold a lot in one particular area of consolidation, then you know that there's going to be an uptrend and the coin is going to start heading upwards. Now, there is another chart that this guy on tradingview.com came out with, and he has a trend line here. Now, if you kind of erase the all-time highs that we saw over the December and January, and you just look at the trend line, we are still following that trend line upwards. I mean, from where we were back in September of 2017 to where we are right now, we're still up. I remember when Litecoin was $60, $50. Now we're almost at $100 right now. So if you kind of you separate the exuberant highs that we experienced over December and January, and you kind of just separate that for a moment, compartmentalize, we are still above where we were. So zooming out on the chart, you should feel okay about where we are. Now I know we all got a little spoiled. Bitcoin, all the altcoins, Litecoin, we all got spoiled when it came around Christmas time. We thought we were all getting Lambos, and it just wasn't the case. Whenever a coin shoots up that high, you know there's going to be just as bad of a correction, and we've seen that over the last couple months. And we can see, there's a wave action happening right here. Now, we did break a very specific support line. We broke this support line right here, which means we could even be headed down slightly lower. We're testing $95 right now. I think the next major support, could be around the $80 mark. If we break through that, we could be seeing $55, $60. Now, if for some reason we do go that low, just to know that the bull run up is going to be twice as fast. So that's something for you to kind of just keep in the back of your mind and look forward to. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't recommend or advise when it comes to other people's finances, but me personally, I wouldn't be selling my Litecoin right now because, number one, I probably bought it at a higher amount than it is right now, so you'd be selling at a loss. Number two, at this price right now, you know that you're going to be 2-timesing, 3-timesing your money that you know, that you're at right now. So it's always a good idea to just hodl, hodl, hodl. Now, there's another article that gives 2 reasons why Litecoin is looking to break out, and the first reason we just spoke about just a second ago. Litecoin has become very oversold. At the current state, Litecoin is oversold. The price of Litecoin has dropped sharply, and there's a lot of market overreaction and panic. There's a lot of people selling right now, you know, and they're selling at a loss. Almost every investor holding Litecoin coins at the moment is considering going short, and that's unfortunate. In the financial markets, when an asset becomes oversold, the price of the assets are expected to rebound back in a very short while, which looks like it's going to be the case right now. Now, the second reason why, maybe a lot of people aren't talking about this, but the second reason why Litecoin is set for an imminent breakout is the ITBIT. The NYDFS, or the New York State Department of Financial Services, has basically, this is an exchange that is regulated by the New York State, ITBIT. And ITBIT is going to be listing Litecoin on its exchange. Now, being a regulated crypto exchange, it's expected to attract a lot of crypto investors, especially in the United States. People that have been waiting for a regulated exchange, waiting for, you know, an exchange where their money is going to be a little safer than on a unregulated exchange like we have so many out there right now. Now, the recent ITBIT decision and the fact that the NYDS has allowed them to go ahead and expand their crypto trading assets to include Litecoin among some other crypto coins is expected to push the value of Litecoin much higher due to the increased traffic alone. Just by people seeing it listed on the exchange, they're going to say, whoa, I got to jump on this. FOMO's really going to start to kick in, and the coin is going to jump. So guys, Litecoin Nation, Litecoin family, even people that are very new to Litecoin. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but don't sell your Litecoin right now. Don't sell it at a loss. Don't panic sell your coins. Hold on to them. Disconnect for a while. Let them sit in your wallet. Look at some other things on the internet that are interesting. Get into a hobby. Start counting Coke bottle caps or something. Play cards. Do something that's going to get your attention off of the market right now, because the market is just falling, and it's probably going to fall even lower. But when it hits that bottom, maybe a double bottom, maybe even a triple bottom, we know that the price is gonna fly up. So let me know in the comments what you guys think, whether you panic sold, whether you are a hodler of Litecoin, whether you are a long-term holder of Litecoin. I see a bunch of comments coming in right now. And you know, I'm definitely I'm not planning on selling anytime soon. I have a couple bots running with my Litecoin right now that I'm just kind of sitting there and accumulate right now. You know, and every now and then, just like anybody, when you need to cash out and have a little extra cash, that's okay. But don't sell 100% of your assets, because you will be regretting it big time in the next couple weeks. The next couple weeks, we're expected to see some major rebound happening, some major uptrends. The bulls are going to be coming back in. So don't lose heart, guys. Don't lose hope. Thanks for sticking with us here at Crypt Chronicles. When the market goes down, so do our subs, so do our engagement. So for those who have really hung out with us and you know, clicked on each video and liked the video and subscribed to the channel, we really appreciate you guys. If I could give you one Litecoin a piece, I would definitely do that. So you know, one day, maybe when I'm a professional YouTuber doing this full time and I have tons and tons of Litecoin, we'll give each one of the subscribers a Litecoin. Wouldn't that be something? Appreciate it, guys. Follow us on Twitter, Crypt Chronicles. Let me know your thoughts. We try to have a conversation on Twitter regularly. I'm also on Instagram, and we have a Telegram channel. But guys, that's about it. I wanted to give you that quick update on Litecoin. Two reasons why there's an imminent breakout about to happen. Litecoin is super oversold, and there's an exchange, a regulated exchange by the New York State Department of Financial Services is about to list Litecoin. The name of the exchange is ItBit. So keep your eyes out for that. Keep your ears peeled. Have an awesome day, guys. Stay freaking awesome, and we'll see you all in the next video. See ya.